pouring in from all corners on this attack and assault on Republic Bangla crew. This is happening once again in the Mamata Banerjee ruled state. Republic Bangla crew was heckled, pushed, detained illegally at the Jadavpur University as they were reporting on a protest inside the institute that was continuing for a week. Bangla reporters Pinky, Bhaskar, they were all locked up at the registrar's office. Ridhita was manhandled and attacked. Shantupan was also attacked and pushed out of the registrar's office. Support is pouring in. There's no way that Mamata government can escape this. It's all on camera. And this is not just an attack on journalists, it's an attack on the fourth pillar of democracy.
देखिए, जो जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में रिपब्लिक टीवी का जर्नलिस्ट का ऊपर लेफ्ट आइडियोलॉजी के लोगों ने जैसे अत्याचार किया, इससे प्रूव हो जाता है कि लेफ्ट ऑलवेज एडवोकेट्स वायलेंस, हिंसा का ऊपर ही वो राजनीति करना चाहते हैं। मैं इस पूरा घटना को कंडेम भी करता हूं और साथ में मैं यही भी बोलूँगा कि ये घटना से पूरा लेफ्ट जनता का सामने एक्सपोज हो चुका है।
See, look here, certain educational institutions are along under the control of leftist student union have been strongly advocating anti-nationalism, and whoever confronts them, they go all out on them. This has been experience. Republic India, Republic Bangla, Republic Canada is one of the nation's pride nationalist channel. Their slogan itself is nation first, and they dare to confront all such forces. Therefore, under desperation, some sections of the people in Jadavpur University and students have physically attacked the reporters of Republic Bangla. These anti-national forces are exposed by Republic TV. Their attack on the reporters is highly condemnable. Absence of police and no action till now shows that the government of West Bengal is soft peddling the whole issue.
Most of these people who are inspired by the left liberal philosophy or thoughts need to understand that a young woman is not doing nothing but doing her job. Her job is to cover, and if you don't want it coverage, there is a way of saying please don't do it or whatever. You have that right, but respecting her to the extent that she's doing her job, number one. So on moral and ethical grounds, the behavior is atrocious. Nobody has any right to misbehave with any woman, especially I would say with Indian culture, Indian ethos. We take these things very seriously. This has happened in a state-run university. So final authority to take action or to seek any kind of redressal, she's the one. So she has to redress, she has to bring people on board, she has to seek answers from them. And why is she quiet? That would be my question. Because I feel one part is that women in India are respected like no other place. At the same time, when incidents like these, RG Kar and these things happen, then it calls for further clarification by the management who's running the state, and that management is nothing but Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee led government. So I would request her to come forward and answer these questions, and if there is any action, which according to me, at least when I saw this video, appropriate action be taken against the people who have misbehaved.
देखिए, मैं बहुत कड़ी इसकी मैं निंदा करता हूं कि लोकतंत्र के चौथे स्तंभ और रिपब्लिक भारत की टीम जो लगातार अनेक स्थानों पर जाकर अपना जोखिम लेकर रिपोर्टिंग को करती है और जो जन समस्याएं हैं, चुनौतियां हैं, उन सबको लोगों के सामने लाने का काम करती है, ये कदापि उचित नहीं है। इस प्रकार के कामों, इस प्रकार के कृत्यों की हमेशा निंदा होनी चाहिए और निंदा होगी।
क्या कहेंगे जिस तरह
ये
से पश्चिम बंगाल में काम करने में रिपोर्टर को दिक्कत आ रही है?
पश्चिम बंगाल की जो घटना है बहुत ही दुखद है। रिपब्लिक भारत के पत्रकार पर जिस ढंग से कातिलाना हमला किया गया है उसकी हम घोर निंदा करते हैं और उसमें पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार को कड़ा एक्शन लेना चाहिए और हर स्थिति में पत्रकारों की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करनी चाहिए और जो भी दोषी उसके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
सर संविधान में कुछ तो हक है ना सर कि हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं?
कुछ नहीं, पूरा हक है। पश्चिम बंगाल में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की स्थिति बहुत ही चिंताजनक है। वहाँ की सरकार को संज्ञान में लेना चाहिए और उस पर कड़ी कार्रवाई होना चाहिए, दोषी बख्शे नहीं जाते।